Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Well, as we're heading into Saturday, price is just moving sideways. That's typically how it works on a Saturday. As it looks, it's going to be, unfortunately, another boring weekend. Again, it's only a quick end of the day update because price literally hasn't done much. I just wanted to explain a few things. First thing is we are still in the wave 2. We count that as an ABC structure. Other interpretations are certainly possible. I'm currently looking at this as a fifth wave to the downside, as an ending diagonal in 5 waves. And again, that structure can easily morph because the subwaves are, if it's an ending diagonal, corrective. So we see 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and so on. For example, it could be that in the current interpretation here, where we're following the white wave count, you have 5 waves down. This move down could have been the A wave. This is a B wave. We come down and see. I did highlight in the earlier video today that we might see price hit the trend channel. And I think it came very, very close. Got rejected, but we had a lot of volatility there. But yeah, we are still in the channel. I think this channel might actually be useful. But as I said, the structure can easily morph. Expectations are, as long as we stay below resistance, bearish. Expectations are for price to go down to roughly 25.3k. Can also go lower, but for now that's sort of the next target. But only as long as we stay below 27.7k. If we break above 27.7k, unfortunately we have a few options. We have, first of all, a possibly bullish option that I'm only going to believe if we have 5 waves up, but I'm going to track it if we break above 27.7k. That would include the idea that this rally into Monday's high was a wave 1. This here is a wave 2 to the downside, the low that was made yesterday on Thursday. Then there would be now a move up in the third wave, yeah, and so on. And we get a fourth wave and a fifth wave. Then we have a bullish potential, which is quite likely. So until then, if we break above 27.7k, it could just simply be a higher wave 4. If we only get 3 waves up and not 5, could be a higher wave 4. If we, yeah, and we have resistance for this higher wave 4. Where is our resistance? So we need to measure. So how high could this wave 4 really go? So ideally, I don't want it to go above the 50% retracement, so 27.8k, but I would allow it to go to around about 28.3k. Yeah, but if it goes above that, then we probably deal here with the idea that this is a high B wave. So again, below 27.7k, bearish, sell off. Above 27.7k, first view would be to get a higher wave 4. And if we break above resistance that are highlighted, then it could be that this A wave is actually sitting down here and we're getting a larger B wave. So all of that would be A, then we get here a larger B and would then see a larger C down. That will take months to play out. And that could go all the way up to maybe roughly, well, around about 29.5k or something, yeah. That B wave, because we would measure the retracement based on the move down. B wave resistance here between 28,444 and 29,950. But if the move down is really in 3 waves, it could be a high B wave, okay? But you know, it depends on the subwave structure as well. And at the moment, it's a bit too far away to really focus on it. But yeah, these are the scenarios. So we have to expect further choppy price action probably over the next few weeks and months, depending on what happens now. If we hold below the pivot, we could easily complete this correction. That would be straightforward and then just move up. But unfortunately, if we already now break out, then it would be good for some altcoins. Yeah, absolutely. But I think Bitcoin could then just end up being in this long correction. Well, let's see how price performs and if it holds below 27.7k. Important next step for the bears would be to break below the third wave low here, the Friday low at 25,800. That would at least confirm further the idea that we're here in a fifth wave to the downside. But I don't think much will happen over the weekend, unfortunately. I think we have to be more patient. Hopefully we see some action though. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.